So you've uploaded your video to YouTube and then you discover that you made a mistake, but then it's already a bit too late for you to delete that video and re-upload it. Probably because you already have engagement on that video and you don't want to lose the likes, the comments, the engagement on that video. Okay, so but also you don't want to delete the same video. And there's a way that you can actually edit that video on YouTube so that you'll be able to retain it. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can edit an already uploaded YouTube video from your YouTube studio dashboard so that you will be able to also retain that video. So let me show you how you can do this. So to begin with, now you go to your studio.youtube.com, then you're going to head over to content. Come to content, and then you're going to click on the video that you want to trim or cut off. Okay, so I'm going to be using one of my live videos. Okay, so I'm going to be trimming this particular video. So you're going to open to that video. Okay, now you're here. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to come to editor. You come to editor, and then it's going to bring you here. Now this editor is where you are going to edit your already uploaded video. Whatever it is you want to do, this is where you're going to do it and still retain that same video without losing your comments, your likes, your subscribers, without losing all the benefit that you've gotten from that video. Okay, so here are the editor tools. Trim and cut. You can, if you want to trim a part of the video, so this is the tool you're going to use. If you want to blur any part of the video, this is the tool that you are going to use. Then for the audio, if you want to add an audio or remove the audio, so let's check out the trim and cut. See, it has been highlighted. We're going to come back to doing it. I just want to explore all of the editor tools. So it has been highlighted here. So from here you can be able to trim your video. Then the blur, if it's face blur or custom blur, you're going to choose any of them. Then if it's the audio, you can add an audio to your video. Now you can explore all of the music from the YouTube audio library here. You can see, so just in case you want to change the music of your video, you can come here and choose the music that you want, and then you'll be able to edit your video with that music. But from this editor you cannot mute the sound of your video. You cannot mute the sound. You can only change the music of that video. Okay, so you can add end screen, you can add info cards as well. So from here also you can create a video clip, a separate video clip out of this very video. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can trim and cut out any segment of your video. Okay, so I'm going to click on trim and cut. Okay, so you can as well go ahead. If you want to cut, all you need to do is to move this cursor, move it, you can see, to the part that you want to cut out. You can either move it from this end or from this end as well. You see, so with that you just you can just move the cursor. Now moving this part to cut out is if you want to cut out any part of the video that's from the beginning or from the end part of your video. But if you want to trim out a segment, a particular segment from the middle, so all you need to do is you're going to move this cursor. Now you can see this cursor that I am moving. You're going to move it to the part that you want to cut out. You first of all preview your video. You're going to play the video and watch the part you want to cut out. Then you're going to check the time. Okay, let's say I'm playing this video now. So you're going to move this cursor to the segment that you want to trim out. Okay, so you
Hello, ma, are you there? Hello. Hello, ma.
you can see I place my cursor here. I place this um, cursor here that I want to trim out. Okay, now what the timing here is 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay, so when that is placed, you can go over to new cut. Then you're going to, you can see when you click on new cut, it will automatically start highlighting from where you placed that your cursor. So it's not left for you to, if you want to increase the part you're cutting out, you're going to move it further, or you're going to move it this way, and it will select the time duration of the exact place you want to cut out of your video. So you can see that. So if you are able to move it to the part where you want to cut out and you're satisfied with that segment, you're just going to click cut. When you click on this, it will cut out that segment. But if you click on this, it's going to undo the whole process. So you're just going to click cut, and it is going to, you can see it has selected that area. If you also want to cut out more places, you can come back here again. You can click on another cut. See, it will highlight another area, and then you just move it to the area you want to cut out. See, you can move it to the area you want to cut out. So okay, don't want to cut out anymore. So you can see that that area has been highlighted. And then you're just going to go over and click on save. When you click on save here, it says once you've confirmed the changes, the video processing will start, and to take minutes to hours for your changes to apply. What to expect during processing: viewers will see the current video and editing will be unavailable. Okay, what is practically saying here is that during the cutting process, before YouTube finally confirms that okay, that part of your video has been fully removed, when anybody goes to watch your video, they are also still going to see that very part until the whole process is completed. Now, after editing, after the edit has been successfully applied, we will update any visibility or monetization video restrictions. Okay, you can see. So when that part is fully cut out, you will also be updated by YouTube. So when that is done, you're just going to click on confirm changes and wait for it to process. You can see here it says video editing is in progress. Okay, so it's just going to take some time before it will be able to cut out that part of your video. Now if you go over to your content, if you go back to your content, that part has already been saved. Now you're going to see that the editing will be processing. You can see it says edit processing starts soon. So this video is under process to cut out whatever segment of your video that you do not want. Okay, so that is all for how to cut out an already uploaded video on YouTube. So I hope this tutorial has been quite helpful to you. If it has, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So until I see you again or come your way next time, it's bye for now. Bye.